My project is Big Bang Theory. This theory explains that the universe began as a single point, then expanded and stretched to grow as large as it is right now. It is the most acceptable scientific theory with evidence. At the beginning, there was no space, no time. Everything we know compressed into a small dot smaller than an atom. The age of the universe is 13.8 billion years, and I am going to explain the milestones of the universe through this chart. The universe started as an infinitely hot, infinitely dense point. It was 10 to the minus 32 Kelvin and 10 to the minus 43 second. The universe expanded faster than light. It took 380,000 years for the first atom to form. And it took 4 billion years for the first galaxies to form. Now we're going to take a big leap from 4 billion years to 9 billion years. It took 9 billion years from the start to form the sun. And at 9.5 billion years, the earth formed. And at 10.5 billion years, the first single cell evolved. It still took 2 billion years for the first dinosaurs to appear, and approximately 13.5 billion years for the first humans to come. And here we are at 13.8 billion years after the bang. To make it simpler, I'm going to compare it with this boy who's 13 years and 8 months old. If you take his birth time as the expansion, on his 4th birthday, the galaxies formed. On his 9th birthday, the sun formed. And when he was 13.5 years old, the first humans came. Thus, humans are the last to come in this evolutionary process. Now I'm going to move on to the famous people who contributed to the Big Bang Theory. In 1905, Albert Einstein said that light, energy, motion, gravity, and mass started from somewhere. In 1920, George Lemaitre said that the Big Bang started with a superatom and it exploded. In 1922, Alexander Friedman discovered the expanding of our universe. In 1924, Edwin Hubble proved George Lemaitre's theory correct. In 1964, Arnold Penzias and Robert Wilson discovered the cosmic microwave background radiation. In 1971, Stephen Hawking proposed the no-boundary proposal theory. In 1980, Vesto Sliver discovered that the universe is not static. In 2016, scientists have discovered the universe is expanding faster than they expected. In 2017, the Hubble Space Telescope observed the first multiple images of explosive distant indicator. In 2019, the universe's first type of molecules are found. In 2020, scientists have discovered the universe's expansion may not be the same in all directions. Therefore, scientists are working on this from day-to-day basis, and we are getting new information on this every day. Here I'm showing some of the devices used to study about the Big Bang Theory. This telescope is used by George Lemaitre. The large horn antenna is used by Arnold Penzias and Robert Wilson. This telescope is used by Vesto Sliver. The Cope telescope is used to learn about the microwave background radiation. This Hubble Space Telescope is learned about the speed of galaxies moving away. The Spitzer Space Telescope is used to learn about the expansion of the universe. The Hadron Collider in Switzerland is used to learn about what happened after the Big Bang. Now we're going to move to the criticisms of the Big Bang, or problems scientists yet can't explain. What happened before the Bang? What triggered the Big Bang? The Big Bang fails to explain the flatness problem. It violates the rule of thermodynamics. Cosmic microwave background radiation isn't a product of the Big Bang. The Big Bang theory cannot explain galaxy formation. The Big Bang violates the law of entropy. It fails to explain the almost completely uniform temperature. And scientists can't explain the balanced expansion after the Bang. Thank you for listening to my project. Thank you.